Breaking news from Tulsa Public Schools. Dozens of employees will lose their jobs July 1st. The board voting tonight to eliminate 90 positions. It's part of an effort to close a $20 million shortfall.
Channel 8's Tyler Butler joined us now with the reaction from the board and some who oppose that vote. Tyler.
And tonight's vote's rather complex. More than 200 support staff positions are being deleted or defunded. But then they're going to turn around and vote to create 140 new positions for those employees to then turn around and apply for. So that restructuring should save $5 million or more, but that doesn't make it an easy pill to swallow for those on the receiving end. Tonight's vote to eliminate jobs was not a unanimous one.
I will stand with the people of this district, and I will not vote for this budget because I do not believe that it is necessary. I believe that there are other things that should have been done before we got to this point.
Marshall was the sole vote opposing Superintendent Dr. Deborah Gist's plan for the district.
We were clear that when we launched into this that we were addressing it structurally, and that structural deficit should get us through at least the next couple of years without having to make additional changes.
Nancy Leonard represents the support staff for TPS, many of whom are affected by tonight's vote.
All the support people have lost faith because they don't feel they're important enough to save. But without them, the school system fails.
Many custodians will see their jobs eliminated and then recreated on a 210-day basis rather than a year-round job. Gist says this will actually improve their workforce.
What we're doing in terms of custodians is deleting a certain kind of position and creating a new kind of a position so that we can ultimately have more custodians in our schools.
Since Leonard says the decision's final, they just have to find a way to make it work. Tonight's vote wasn't easy, but it does close a dark chapter in TPS history. The $20 million has been found through restructuring and consolidations. All eyes are now on the Capitol. TPS is calling for an increase in school funding, not the same rate they've been getting. The state, they say, needs to account for inflation. If for some reason the state cuts funding, the board may be forced to have another discussion on what to cut next. Tyler Butler, Tulsa's Channel 8.
No teachers were affected by tonight's vote. The main groups of employees affected include custodians, instructional mentors, bus drivers, and enrollment staff.